How to delete search history on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to delete all your search history at once on YouTube. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to open YouTube application on your device and then log in or sign in to your account. Once done, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in this section, select the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the settings page of YouTube, you have to select the option of your data in YouTube. And scroll to the bottom of the screen. Here you will see the option to manage your YouTube search history. Simply select the bottom or option. Now on this YouTube history page, you have to select the delete button, which is highlighted in blue at the right corner of the screen. And here you will get the option to delete of today, custom range or all time. So let's select all time deletion. And if you are sure that you want to delete all those search history on YouTube, you have to select the delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see that the deletion process has been completed. And select the got it button. So that's it for today.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.